Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Oh my god, I cannot believe yesterday was Christmas. Like it came so fast and went by like that. Hey, hi guys. So we are shopping today and I'm buying some fruits. Let me show you. So I plan on making fried rice and some fruit salad on the side. So I came to Market Square to get some fruits like this what's it called again? Is it blueberry? I don't know. You guys know. I got this one. I got one pack of apples, and guy, I was legit checking the prices though, because some of them are just like why is it so expensive? So I think the prices are not the same. Some are like 1,004, some are like 1,006. So I was looking for the cheapest one and the one that I know is good, and I just picked up one pack each, and I went straight to the other side to get some other stuff I needed. Like I wasn't buying a lot because I already came here before with my mom. If you guys haven't seen that come shopping with me and my mom, I'm going to link it up here. So I'm just picking last minute things that we need, because this is Nigeria. I don't know, in my area we don't have light like that. So if you're buying anything, frozen chicken, meat or whatever, you're buying it to cook it that day. If you keep it one day longer, it might just go bad. So that's why I came today the 24th to actually buy this down for Christmas the next day. And as you can see, the mall is full with people shopping, so I'm just waiting till it gets to my turn. Oh, I forgot, I picked up this small shrimps as well, some noodles and some other things I needed for myself. So this is me giving the cashier everything and getting the price for everything. I think after here, legit just went out, to get my purse and some other stuff. You guys will see that in a minute. Hi guys, so I just finished shopping now. The bag is quite heavy, so I'm going to get my purse and then take a taxi home. I'm sitting here waiting for my taxi ride to come. The first one had to cancel. I don't know why. So I requested another one and I'm waiting. I really need to get home because the chicken I bought is already melting. I want to quickly put it in the freezer. I don't know if you guys can hear me, Sha, but I have not stopped getting compliments about my hair. You guys, I can't believe this is my hair. Like, it literally gets here. Like honestly, some taxify drivers can be so annoying. Jesus Christ! Like sometimes they will pick your ride, they will not bother calling you. Like you just be there thinking that the driver is coming to your location. No, you'll be so shocked that after 30 minutes, you by the time you eventually decide to call him, he'll tell you that, oh sorry, cancel the ride. I'm not coming to your area. It's too far. As in, like on the phone. I always think that if you don't want to ride, if you don't want to carry people, go and park your car. Like just go and park the car or find something else to do. Stop telling people you're a taxi driver when you don't want to pick people, and they just behave very rudely. Some of them talk to you rudely, some even insult you self. So it's almost night time, like it's just past 4 to 5 here. I decided to quickly come and chop some of these carrots before tomorrow, so that the work will be less for me. So that's what I'm doing right there. I think after the carrots I went into the greens, and I think this was all I was able to do before NEPA people carry their lights. All right. You got to love me and my mom. Oh, we've had so much time together this season. I'm so grateful for her life, and she's here with me. My mom is over 60 and she's still really strong and healthy. And I'm just grateful that, I get to do all of these fun things with her. So yeah, I needed to include that there for you guys. I hope that was fun for you to watch. So I'm done with the carrots and I'm just transferring into this bowl, and I'm going to go into the green peas. Like the green peas, I prefer cutting carrots than these green peas anyway, because they are so stressful. But now the work we get picking they do for us during Christmas, they not born you and make you no do them. So yeah, this is everything I've chopped up. So this is green pepper, the red pepper, that's one chili pepper, I don't know, it's very hot by the way. This is some white onion, spring onions and the regular onion, and these are my sweet corn, my prawn and chicken breast, and these are my carrots and green peas or whatever. Yeah, so I'm going to stir fry all of them like in batches. I'll start with the onion and like that. So yeah, and of course you guys know this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you what I basically did on Christmas Day, and this is it. What did you guys cook? Like, let me know in the comment section. I know some people didn't bother making rice because that's what they ate all year, and they decided to maybe make pounded yam with egusi soup or something. Let me know. I'm curious, I want to know. But this rice was highly requested by my mother because we don't make fried rice every day in the house, so she wanted fried rice, and I came through for her. So yeah, I'm slicing up all the fruits. Of course, I'm also eating some of it. Because why not? So I didn't get to use all the carrot because it was a lot, and I'm just putting this inside this Ziploc bag, and I'm going to transfer that inside the fridge. And I continued with my fruits, so I decided to slice up a few. I bought the apple, the berries, watermelon, and some pineapple. And this is me just dicing them up into some cute shapes and just arranging them on that very, very cute platter. So what if you're stupid and you know it's nothing wrong, but you and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me the hell fake to me now. Alright guys, so after all is said and done, now so Christmas ritual, now to cook rice flakes. So this is my table. I have my rice, plantain, chicken, and my fruits. So my mom said she wants to put her wine that they got for her. She put it on the table so that we'll film everything together, so that everything go, you understand, the day way. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. I finished eating and I'm just chilling watching TV with Mama. So this is how I'm really going to spend my Christmas. I don't know yet, I might go out, but I don't have any plans. But I just want to sit here, relax a bit, and then start editing this video so it can go up by tomorrow or this evening. But let's see how it goes. And hence wishing you guys Merry Christmas again, and a Happy New Year in advance.